Hi everyone, in today's video we will fix the TradingView black background not working theme and chart color fix. So the step 1 is to enable the dark theme properly. So sometimes when the theme is not actually applied, when the theme selection will be set to the system theme. Like once you open your menu, click on the setting icon at top right corner and now click on themes. Here you will find that it will enable the system theme, so it will get the theme according to your system. If your device have a light theme, then after it will show light on your application. Okay, if you want to switch to a dark, you can simply firstly disable it and now enable the dark mode. Okay, the next step is you can simple refresh the chart and reload the layout. So sometimes once you open your app in an urgency, like it will not loading completely, and then you will find that also it will not load the theme. In that case, you can simple close the app completely again, then after open the app again, and now wait here for some times like 30 seconds minimum to completely load all kind of functions. Okay, the step 3 is you can simple check the background settings of your chart. So once you open your chart, then after click on the settings. Okay, wait, toolbar update. Okay, so it will gives me an overview. Done. So now click on settings. After click on settings, go to more setting, and then after here you will see the background color indicator. So go back. Now you can go to the symbols, and here you will see a color selection board where you can easily change the color of candles. Same as once you go back and now go to canvas, and now here you can simple click the background color. Here you can easily select it. Here you will see. The next step is you can simply reinstall the application. So sometimes these steps are not able to fix your problem. You can uninstall the app and reinstall. So these are the steps that can help you to fix this problem. Goodbye.